Hello guys and welcome back to my channel and today's video. Today I'm doing another makeup tutorial. I know it has been a lot lately, but since I'm not doing 3 looks 1 palette with these 2 palettes, it has been a lot of makeup tutorials, but I don't think you mind. And if you do, I'm sorry, but I upload every single day, so I have a bunch of different videos you can look at. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Are you the same, like hairs always sticks right here and right here, like where my nose is? I don't know why, so a lot of the time it looks like I'm picking my nose, but I'm not. What do I want to say? 2 things. I did my brows with only Dipbrow or a pomade, and I tried to make them hairy, look very bushy and hairy. Don't know if I succeeded, but if they look weird, it's because I did them in a different way. Also, Sigge is not here, he's not home. He's always home when I'm home, but my boyfriend took him to his brother's. They are, I don't know, having a guy time or not, something. Oh, 3rd thing, my hair. Like, honestly, should we talk about my hair? Really quick. Just really quick. Yeah. I tried one of these transitioning hairstyles, and yeah, not that great. So I'm just pinning my hair back a bit throughout this video, and hopefully I can make it look a little bit better later. But let me zoom you guys in. So as of right now, I am trying to review the Strobe Cosmetics Creepy Cute palette and the Elf Jewel Pop palette. And I looked at that. Oh, fuck my life. Can you see it? I'm gonna cry. The black one broke. How though? I just opened it, looked at it, put it down on my computer. I didn't drop it or anything, and now it's broken. Is it because of the magnet? Oh, it might be because when you slam the magnet. Fuck my fucking life. I was at the mall the other day with my boyfriend. We were shopping and I said, oh my god, I need to buy some of that liquid alcohol thing so you can repress your shadows. I didn't get it because I couldn't find it, but I knew that I could find it in another store, but I didn't exit or I didn't go to that store. Need to go there next week. I can't hold this palette up, but as you can see, it's very pastel-y and beautiful. And then this palette from Elf is very, they're both mattes, like, but this is a little bit more jewel tone, hence the name Jewel Pop. But I thought when I looked at them that maybe they could go well together. So maybe I could do a look using both of these palettes. So these will be my deepening shades and the other ones will be my other shades. I'm going to start off with the shade right here. This is the light purple shade and this is called Planchetti. And now I need to take the Elf palette so I can have it as a mirror because this one I cannot. I'm so sad. Here's the purple. Let's just go in. No, I haven't primed. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. I haven't primed. Okay, I'm just gonna prime my eyes. So now I have primed, so I'm just going to go in with my eyeshadow. The purple one that was called Planchetti. Is that a smart... Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, look at this. Do I even need to review this? Like, honestly... I've used all the shades except for the blue and the gray. Do I even need to, like, it speaks for itself. Honestly, these blends out so beautifully. They're so pigmented and they are freaking pastels. I bought this one because I missed out on the Pastel Goth palette. And I was so bummed out about that. I didn't miss out on it. The Mi Vida Loca palette and the Pastel Goth palette didn't come to Sweden, so it wasn't me not getting it because I didn't have the money or because I wasn't really that interested. It was just that they didn't come to Sweden. Like, honestly, sorry I'm looking in the viewfinder, but So I know in my last video I used, no wait, oh, I used the Creepy Real shade, this one on my lid, and I used this one on under my eyes. I want to use this on my lid today. Purple and green, and I just spit. So sorry. Did not mean to spit on you. Take a hint, which is the greenest of greens. Like, on my lid. No way. This is without a white base, guys. I'm like, it's so beautiful. Okay, I think I will go in with the shade Cold Shoulder now. I'm just trying out some different shit. I don't even know what I'm doing. I just wanna use every shade. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Tapping the brush off, and then, oh my god, this is unreal. This is... So I do think I want to place this so just meets the green, because we will build later on with some of these shades from the Elf palette. So I think that I just want to place these next to each other and kind of blend them together. Blending it upwards to the purple. I really like this look. Not gonna lie, I really like this look, but I do want to give it some depth, and I thought about using, let's see, this blue, but I feel like it might be a little bit too similar to build on, so I might even go in with this purple. So let me try that. Just to tie it together with the purple that we have in our crease. Like, honestly, I feel so colorful. I will, however, say that I have experienced now that Take a Hint, Cold Shoulder, Third Eye, maybe even Planchette does contain a lot of kick-up. So if you don't like that, then stay away from the palette. If you are okay with that, tap your brush off or do your base last, like do your eyes first. So we didn't use this palette all that much, but I do want to take the green shade and kind of put it very close to my, like under my eyes, and then kind of smoke it out with Creep It Real or even Take a Hint. We'll see. But we're just gonna put this right here. Okay, I'm gonna take the shade Creep It Real, and I'm taking this on a real small brush. This is a Sigma blending E36, very small brush, and then we're just gonna go and kind of smoke them down, but also together a bit. A little bit more. Yeah, I like that. Last step. There is a wonderful person, I haven't talked about this, and I will talk about this in a future video when I'm gonna use all of the products, but there is a person that is a subscriber. Her name is Jenna, and she has a Instagram account that is called Blushless Bunny, I think it is. She's cruelty free and she lives in Finland, and she reached out to me because I follow her on Instagram because I think that her account is really awesome, and I really love a lot of looks that she does. But she reached out to me and said like, hey, the Photographic collection is available in Finland now. And I was like, what? And she said, I'm happy to purchase some products that you want, but I paid for it. So like Paulina. And I said, oh my god, like that's so cute of you. Let's see which product. I'm just gonna show you which product I got. So I got 3 highlighters because I was only interested in highlighters. So I got the shade Purple Ashes, I got the shade White Raven, and then I got this one, like the big jar that is called Moon Tears. Swatched this before. I'm gonna use it today. It's gonna be awesome. But she was just the sweetest. She sent me the card that you can see right there in the background. Love it. And she also sent me some other products that she bought for her money to me. So I was so thankful, and as I said, I will talk about that in a future video. The reason I'm mentioning it is because I got this essence pen that is called Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade 32 Go Green, and I thought that I would try it today because I think that it can be really beautiful with this look. Okay, so you do need to build this up a bit. I think that this really tied everything together, but I'm gonna finish up this eye off camera and then I'll be right back. So I'm sorry if you hear something, but my neighbor is washing himself. He's showering, I mean, he or she, I don't know. I went in with a green highlighter in my inner corner, and then I also went in with my Subculture palette, and I went in with the shade Electric over it, and then up to here, so in the beginning of my eyeshadow. I have to say, like, what do we think about this lipstick? I never wear lipsticks that has a lot of orange in it or peach. I am more towards the pinks, the cool tone pinks or pinks in general, but this is very, very orange. I did go ahead and purchase a Dose of Color liquid lipstick in the shade Sweet and Sassy, and this is vegan. Really good. Anyway, I just don't really know what I think about it because it's not usual for me, and I'm like, oh, I don't feel like myself. Anyway, what I was about to say is that I love this eyeshadow look. Like, I love this eyeshadow look more than the first one I did, but I think it is because I love greens and purples and blues, and yeah. I really, really love this look, and also the highlight. Like, I think that will be the best highlight I've ever used. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty. If I didn't say, it's this one from the Got Graphic collection. If you can get your hands on it, buy 15. This is the first time I've used it, and I'm like, why didn't I buy 2? So I should have bought like 5 backups or something, since it is limited edition, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, I am really happy about this tutorial. Also, I'm gonna do at least one more look with the Strobe Cosmetics palette, but I have used this palette 3 times now, the Elf Matte for Matte palette. Let me know if you want a separate tutorial, separate review on this little guy. What I can say for now is that it is a okay palette. I feel like you need to work a little bit more with this palette, and it's definitely not my favorite formula, but it's okay. It's $10. So if you want to experiment with colors, or if you just don't like to spend a lot of money on eyeshadows or whatnot, then this could be a great way to go. That's just my overall thing I want to say. That was all from me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!